Due to the prediction of torrential rains, today became a land-based day. Crappy luck again. National Park Service closed due to COVID. No ranger tours. But Ken and his friend Google made me walk. This is Redoubt 10. Alexander Hamilton led the charge here and was pretty pivotal in the Battle of Yorktown. Am I the only one who forgot how much the French helped us in the American Revolution? And to end the day, nothing is better than watching porpoises from your boat. Here's a few more porpoise pictures. Hopefully it doesn't bore you. For us, it made the day all the better. And tomorrow we head to Norfolk, Virginia. Stay tuned.